fellow humans, my name is Jackie if you're new here, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegan royal icing. It's super easy to make and perfect to decorate your favorite sugar cookies. From chic and festive winter cookies to colorful and fun all year round. With this royal icing you can get so creative. It makes a big batch that keeps fresh in the fridge for about 1 week and up to 3 months in the freezer. So let's start preparing. Traditionally, royal icing is made with egg whites, powdered sugar and some flavoring. For the egg whites we will use aquafaba and some cream of tartar. And yes, aquafaba sounds fancy, but it is actually just the brine from a can of chickpeas. In a clean bowl with an electric mixer, whisk aquafaba and the cream of tartar until foamy in consistency. We will add powdered organic sugar by sifting it into the aquafaba mixture. Cup by cup we will add the powdered sugar and mix. Once we added all the powdered sugar, let the whisk run on high speed for 5 minutes, scraping down the sides of the bowl if needed. Add fresh lemon juice or extract and mix for another minute. Then you can either transfer it to a piping bag, color it as much as you like, or transfer it to an airtight container and store in the fridge until ready to use. You can adjust the consistency of the icing by adding a few drops of water or more lemon juice at a time. The more liquid you add, the runnier it will get. Decorate as you like and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, leave a like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. Don't forget to put on the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I make lots of vegan content. I try vegan products. I make vegan recipes. I try other vegan bloggers' recipes and so on. And yeah. That's Monster, by the way. He's my little parrot cat. And you. And you, BB. Go play with your brother. See you soon. Bye.